YouTube. How's you all's day going? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'll be doing a review of a tripod my daughter recently ordered for me, and I had to go to Walmart to pick it up, and they sure packaged it nice. Too nice. I had to tear up the packing box to get to the real box. Okay, so this is the tripod. It's by TARGUS. It's a 66-inch camcorder tripod. And it extends to 5.5 feet. And it has quick release leg locks. It has a dual bubble level. And it holds a camera up to 7 pounds. Because this is made out of, basically it's made out of plastic. But it does have, look like aluminum legs. It has rubber grip feet. It includes a carrying case. And it folds up to 27 inches. And it comes with a carrying bag. So this is it. This is the bag. And this is the way it comes inside the box. The tripod is already in the bag inside of this box. Okay. And because I use my iPhone and not a real camera, my daughter also bought me this little thingy to go on top of here. So it holds my iPhone. Let me show you. Let me show you how. So this comes out. So I just screwed this thing onto, there's a little thread that you can screw this onto. So this just slides back in. You have to release this little lever. I'm still learning how to use this and all the specifics. And it does this little thing, panning. I'm not sure of all the terms yet. I'm still learning. And let me see. Where's the level? Okay. Oh, there's a level right there. And I still don't know what this little thing is right here. I think that's another level. And this is how the legs are. It has a carrying handle. So I'm going to open this up. It has quick release legs. You flick that little thing and the leg pops out. It's tall, y'all. Very tall. Has a little hook here. I don't know what it's for, but I read somewhere that you can hang something kind of heavy on here to kind of stabilize it more. Okay, I'm going to put these legs back up. I'm fumbling here. Okay, it has these kind of feet, like if you're on like a rocky terrain or something. This will kind of help level it. And the legs are made out of aluminum. This is aluminum. This is heavy plastic. Let me show you how I raise it up. Crank this little crank here, and this raises the whole thing up. And you go to 5.5 feet. So like the box says, make sure your camera is not over 7 pounds, else the camera will make the whole thing topple over. And for those of you who use those real expensive cameras, you don't want that to happen. If you have a real expensive camera, you might as well get you a very, very, very high quality tripod. But this is perfect for me. Using my iPhone. This is perfect. And so, like I said, I'm not sure of all the specifics yet. I just want to show y'all. So, when I do my videos, I don't have to continue to just sit at the foot of my bed in one spot trying to show y'all things. So, you can expect some cooking videos, some sewing videos, me doing my granddaughter's hair, and arts and crafts, because that's what I love to do. And even me using my Blendtec blender, mixing up smoothies. So I love it, and I want to thank my daughter so much, my daughter Nicole. I know I talk about my daughters from time to time. I have 7 daughters, y'all. So Nicole bought this for me, and I am so grateful. Thank you, Nikki. Okay, that's my review on the TARGUS 66-inch camera camcorder tripod. And I thought it had some kind of number on it, but that's it. And you can see how small it folds. And it fits in this carrying bag. Very nice. Very nice. I love it. Okay. As always, if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And please leave me a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And please share my video. Okay. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye.